Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are keeping fine and safe and staying at home. We are all eagerly waiting as to when the notifications will be out and we will be able to fill up the notifications for our dream job. Yes, you are very correct. In this video, I am going to discuss about the job notifications that are out, and there will be other videos also for other job notifications. But in this particular video, I'm going to discuss about Gujarat High Court recruitment for 2021 for 63 GHC Deputy Section Officer post, and you can apply online before 6th August. So the Gujarat High Court, that is the GHC, has released Gujarat High Court notification for the year 2021 and has invited online applications from eligible and interested candidates for filling up 63 vacancies to the post of Deputy Section Officer, which is DSO, in Gujarat High Court through direct recruitment, which is to be posted at the Gujarat High Court in Ahmedabad, Gujarat in India on a full-time basis. The online application process towards the same started on July 16, 2021 and will shortly close on 6th August 2021 by 11:59 pm. Now, Gujarat High Court Recruitment 2021, talking about the age criteria and fees. Desirous candidates who are wanting to apply for GHC DSO jobs for 2021 through Gujarat High Court Recruitment 2021 must have attained 18 years of age and not have exceeded 35 years as on 6th August 2021, with relaxation of upper age limit up to 5 years for women, SC, SEBC, EWS, etc., as specified in the Gujarat High Court notification for the year 2021. Now, talking about the fees, candidates must pay a prescribed fees of amount rupees 700 for all other candidates and rupees 350 for women, SC, ST, EWS, PH, and ex-servicemen. And an application fee for GHC DSO jobs 2021 under Gujarat High Court Recruitment 2021 through online payment or cash challan, which is offline, as it is mentioned in the GHC DSO notification 2021. Now, Gujarat High Court Recruitment 2021 eligibility, talking about the educational eligibility. Candidates who are interested in applying for GHC DSO jobs 2021 through Gujarat High Court Recruitment 2021 must have passed Class 10th or Class 12 standard examination with English as one of the subjects and graduation from a recognized board or university or institution as detailed in the GHC DSO notification 2021. Now, Gujarat High Court Recruitment 2021 selection and pay scale. Let's talk about that. Yes, the selection of candidates as GHC DSO jobs 2021 through Gujarat High Court Recruitment 2021 will be done through definitely competitive exam, elimination test, which is the objective type where you will be getting MCQs, and main written examination document verification as notified in the Gujarat High Court notification 2021. Candidates who are selected to GHC DSO jobs 2021 through Gujarat High Court Recruitment 2021 will be paid emolument of rupees 39,900 per month as mentioned in the GHC DSO notification 2021. Now, how to apply? Gujarat High Court Recruitment 2021, the very crucial question, how to apply? Yes, candidates applying for GHC DSO jobs 2021 through Gujarat High Court Recruitment 2021 must register online on the official Gujarat High Court website and submit their applications on or before 6th August 2021 by 11:59 pm, not beyond that. Now let's come to the details of this job notification, which is out by Gujarat. The total number of posts available is 63. Now I will give you the category wise breakup. For general it's 37, for scheduled caste 0, scheduled tribe 6, SEBC is 14, EWS holds 6 posts. Now I'll give you the category wise breakup for women. That was for men, this is for women. For general it's 12, SC 0, ST 2 number of seats, SEBC 5 number of seats, EWS 2 number of seats. Out of the total vacancy reservation for ex-servicemen, 6, PH will be 2. Now please take a note of the things that I'm going to say right now. The candidates belonging to scheduled caste category can apply against unreserved category only, and the criteria meant for the unreserved category will be applicable to them. However, they will be entitled for relaxation in fees only. As far as differently abled person, which is PH, are concerned, looking to the nature of job, the visually impaired person cannot apply. The High Court reserves its right to adjust or alter the number of vacancies that are notified as per the requirement. Now talking about the eligibility criteria, as on the date for submitting online application, that is I told you 6th August 2021. Firstly, let's talk about the essential educational qualification. You need to be a graduate from a recognized university. 10th or 12th standard examination has to be passed with English as one of the subjects during our examination. Now talking about the requisite certificate with respect to the basic knowledge of computer as prescribed by the state government from time to time. You have to be well efficient with that. Now talking about the age limit, a candidate who is willing to apply or applying to the said post shall not be less than 18 years and not more than 35 years of age as on the last date of submitting online application, that is on 6th August 2021. The upper age limit may be relaxed as I'm going to discuss. For unreserved or scheduled caste candidates, no relaxation. Employees working in subordinate courts of the state of Gujarat or any other high court, 5 years or to the extent of equal number of years for which service has been put in by him or her, whichsoever is less. ST, SEBC and EWS candidates of Gujarat origin only, 5 years for women candidates and also 5 years for them. Now coming to the differently abled person, they will be getting relaxation of 10 years. Ex-servicemen, actual service rendered plus 3 years. Now, in any case, the upper age limit for any candidate under any category or class shall not exceed 45 years while availing the above mentioned age relaxations as on 6th August 2021, which is the last date of submitting the online application. Now coming to the reservation. The reservations for various categories and classes, that is scheduled tribes, socially and educationally backward classes or differently abled persons, which are termed as PH, women, ex-servicemen and economically weaker sections, that is EWS, shall be in accordance with the prevailing policies of the state government. Now, candidates who are belonging to the reserved categories or the reserved sector in the state of Gujarat shall only be eligible for reservation or relaxation benefits. Now coming to the fees and the mode of payment of such fees. Candidates belonging to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, socially and educationally backward classes or EWS which is economically weaker section, differently abled person, which is PH, and ex-servicemen shall be required to pay fees of rupees 350 plus the usual bank charges, and all other candidates shall be required to pay the fees of around rupees 700 plus the usual bank charges via the print application or pay fee button through SBI ePay provided on the web page of HCOJAS portal or https://hcojasgujarat.gov.in. Carefully read and follow the instructions. Help given are provided, so please follow that. Online payment of or cash challan offline. Cash challan will be generated online at SBI ePay website only. In case of online payment mode, that is if you are paying online, after successful payment of the fees, candidates will get an e-receipt of the same. However, if transaction or the payment fails due to any technical reasons, follow the instructions that is given thereof. Note, e-receipt will be generated at the respective time only. Soft copy as well as hard copy thereof should be preserved for further use. If cash challan, that is if you are paying offline, option is selected, candidate is required to take printout of the challan in 2 copies and pay the requisite fees before the challan expiry date is over at any of the SBI branch by submitting the said challan to the bank. The concerned bank branch will retain 1 copy of the challan and return the other copy to the candidate. Now please take a note, payment of fees cannot be made after the expiry date and the time mentioned in the cash challan. You will not be allowed after that. Candidates are advised to preserve the copy of the e-receipt or the cash challan that you are receiving till the conclusion of the recruitment process. Confirmed online application submitted by the candidate will be considered as valid application only after he or she remits the examination fees, as it is required in the State Bank of India through SBI ePay before due time, or else it stands cancelled. Requisite examination fees can be paid through either mode, that is online from 16/7/2021 to 6/8/2021, or offline, that is cash challan, till the challan expiry date. And at the same time, it shall be valid as it is considered. Fees paid by any other mode will not be accepted and then your form stands cancelled. Fees which is once paid shall not be refunded or shall not be adjusted in any subsequent recruitment process under any circumstances. No correspondence or communications or phone calls should be made to the High Court on this count or in matters regarding this. Now coming to the scheme of examination, yes, let's discuss that. The competitive examination shall consist of the things that I am going to say right now. Please be very careful while listening to this. Elimination test, which is the objective type comprising of MCQs of 100 marks. Next comes the main written examination having 100 marks. Now let's discuss this in details. The elimination test of objective type comprising MCQs will have 100 marks to be conducted tentatively on 10/10/2021, which is Sunday. Question paper of elimination test shall consist of 100 multiple choice questions, which is MCQ, each of 1 marks. For every wrong or multiple answer, there shall be negative marking of 0.33 marks. Language of the question paper shall be only English. However, 25 questions will be in Gujarati for the section on Gujarati language. Duration of the elimination test shall be of 2 hours. Now let's come to the syllabus of the elimination test. You will have general knowledge, which is GK. Apart from this, you will have Indian history and geography, sports. You will also have current affairs. You will also have arithmetic or mathematics. You will have analytical reasoning, mental ability, computer knowledge, English language, Gujarati language. These are the subjects. Now let's talk about the elimination test. The elimination test will be conducted either at Ahmedabad or at any district or place or places as may be decided by the High Court depending upon the number of candidates who are applying for the post and for which the candidates will have to make their own arrangements only for taking the examination. Now let's come to the next thing. Candidates who are belonging to the reserved category. I already mentioned the reserved categories. Explaining again, that is ST, SEBC, EWS, differently able person, that is PH, and ex-servicemen shall have to secure minimum 45 marks, and all the other candidates shall have to secure minimum 50 marks in the elimination test, and only those qualifying therein shall be called for the main written examination. Marks that is obtained in the elimination test, which is the objective type, which is the MCQs, will not be considered for determining the merits for preparing the final merit list. It is only a qualifying round. The elimination test, which is the objective type MCQ, shall be administered through an OMR sheet and shall be evaluated by OMR sheet scanning machine, and therefore revaluation, rechecking or reassessment of OMR sheets will not be entertained by the High Court. Looking to the present scenario, that is in these times of COVID-19 pandemic, the High Court may conduct the elimination test in any other mode, including online computer-based examination as it thinks preferable. Now next, coming to the main written examination of 100 marks, which is to be conducted tentatively in the month of December 2021. And the duration for this main examination will be, most of you might know, it will be for 3 hours. The main written examination will consist of 2 parts. That is part A, the general English having 50 marks, and part B, which is the general knowledge, also having 50 marks. The language of the question paper of main written examination shall be English only. Answer to the question in the main written examination shall be given in English language. However, answer with respect to translation or that is otherwise required to be given in Gujarati shall invariably be answered only in the Gujarati language. The main written examination will be conducted either at Ahmedabad or at any other district, place or places as may be decided by the High Court depending upon the number of candidates, for which the candidates will have to make their own arrangements. No arrangements may be made by the examination center. Now, in case large number of candidates qualify for the elimination test or even the main written examination, it will be open for High Court to restrict the number of candidates as deemed necessary according to the merit list for the next stage of selection. Next, coming to preparation of select wise and waiting list. The select wise and wait list shall be prepared on the basis of aggregate marks obtained by the candidates in the main written examination. For being eligible to be included in the select list, the candidates who have given the examination shall have to obtain minimum 40% marks in the aggregate in the main written examination. The High Court reserves the right to adopt appropriate method of shortlisting the candidates at any stage as it thinks appropriate. The wait list would consist of not more than 20% of the category-wise candidates placed in the select list and shall be operated during the validity period of select list or wait list. The select list or wait list shall remain in force for a period of 2 years from the date of its publications, or it can also be said until the publication of a fresh list, whichever is earlier. However, if the vacancies in a particular year are not substantially higher than the number of candidates remaining in the existing select list or wait list, the period of such select list or wait list may be extended by the High Court, not extending 1 year, so as to make appointment against such vacancies from said select list or the waiting list. Any candidate who does not accept the offer of appointment within the time limit shall lose his or her right to appointment, and the High Court shall operate the select list or the wait list as the case may be. Next, coming to the select and wait list publishing. The select and the wait list shall be published by the High Court website as well as on HCOJAS website and or through any other mode as may be decided by the High Court. Now, there are few disqualifications also for such appointment. No person shall be eligible for the appointment to the service unless he or she is a citizen of India. If he or she is dismissed from central service by central government or any state government or UTs or any high court or statutory or local court. If he or she has been convicted of any offense involving moral turpitude, or who is or has been permanently debarred or disqualified by the High Court or by the Union or State Public Service Commission or by any recruiting or examination conducting authority from appearing in competitive exams or examinations or selections in such examinations. If he or she directly or indirectly influences the recruiting authority by any means for his or her candidature. If he is a man, has more than one wife living, and if a woman has married a man already having another wife, then you will be considered disqualified. If he or she may be found in possession with any electronic gadgets during the mode of examination or the test. So these are the things that I have already mentioned about the examination. So I will wish you all the best. You can just apply online and you can just thoroughly go through the notification that is out, understand the detailed advertisement instructions, and then you can fill it up and just go for your dream career. So we'll end my video here. Thank you. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you.